Welcome to review time at VGASM. In this episode, I'm going to be taking a look at the vegan stone-baked falafel pizza from Goodfellas. I can tell you, I'm really looking forward to this one because when I first went vegan, pretty much the only thing that I ate was falafels. So one of the things important to me is that the packaging is fully recyclable. This did come in some cling film, so I'm not sure about that. Anyway, let's get it into the oven and I'll post the instructions in this gap here. Okay, so it took a little bit longer to cook than it said on the instructions, but your results may vary. It could be my oven or whatever. Just a disclaimer, I do put vegan mayonnaise on pizza whenever I have it, so that is fully how I intended to test it. I seem to be doing a few of these pizza reviews now, and more vegan pizzas are coming out, so I guess I should invest in a pizza cutter, right? You can clearly see that is why the pizza cutter was invented. These things are pretty difficult to cut with a knife. So there's nothing left for me to do now but try it. I think you'll agree the actual pizza itself looks pretty good. There's a lovely crisp bite to the pizza dough. The toppings, I did actually spread them out a little bit more evenly, but everything come together really nice. The flavours all work really well. Goodfellas, this gets a thumbs up from me. Just work on that plastic wrap around the pizza, give us something we can recycle, and this will get a 10 out of 10. If you like falafel and peppers and onion, you're gonna like this. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you want me to test next. Let me know what recipes you'd like. Oh my, one has just had a vegasm.